Hello everyone, my name is Akhil Kumar Lohar and I belong to SVC Bangalore. I am currently pursuing my BE degree in computer science. Today, our topic of discussion will be electric vehicles. So let's begin. Electric vehicles, as we know, are transforming transportation with eco-friendly, energy-efficient solutions. This presentation explores their key components, benefits, challenges, and future potential, highlighting their role in reducing carbon emissions and promoting sustainable clean energy for a greener tomorrow. Electric and hybrid vehicles. Now, before we proceed any further, I would like to give you a small differentiation, more like a introduction of what EV vehicles are and how they differ from the rest of it. Now, EV vehicles or electric vehicles are powered by electric motors using electricity stored in batteries. Meanwhile, hybrid electric vehicles or HEVs combine an electric motor with a gasoline engine. Likewise, gasoline engine powered vehicles that run on either petrol or fuel are also present in the market. We are familiar with them more as compared to EVs, but EVs are here for a change. So let's talk about them more. Block diagram for electric vehicle system. So we're going to speak of how electric vehicles really do function. So first of all, we have a charger through which we can input electrical energy, which in turn helps in running the whole vehicle. Now, this electrical energy is stored in a battery which serves as a storehouse for all the energy the vehicle requires. This electrical energy is later transported to the converter, which drives control signals. Now, this power converter commands the electric motor to convert electrical energy into mechanical energy, which is later found in the transmission shaft connected to the wheels, which helps the vehicle move. If we talk about it more, let me name some. So, the components, in a brief way, are the battery pack, the motor, the reducer, onboard charger, and EPCU or electric power control unit. Now, what are the components of electric vehicles? There are many, but if we summarize them in a short way, they would be battery pack, electric motor, power electronics, and charging system. What is battery pack? Battery pack stores electrical energy to power the motor, crucial for range. So, if your battery pack has more capacity, your vehicle will run for more. If it doesn't, your vehicle will run less. Electric motor converts electrical energy into mechanical motion, driving the wheels. As we said in the previous slide, the transmission drive shaft. This is what helps us do. Now, power electronics manages power flow between the battery and the motor, controlling speed and torque, which is extremely crucial because without it, the vehicle would lose control. Charging system enables recharging the battery from external sources, AC or DC, depending upon the structure model of the EV or electric vehicle. Components of electric vehicle in a more broader way. Number one, motor converts electrical energy to kinetic energy slash mechanical energy. 2. Battery stores electrical energy like a fuel tank. So we all know what fuel tanks are. They either store petroleum or diesel for the running of the vehicle. But in EVs, since we don't use these fuels, we use electrical energy, which in turn is stored in batteries. Next, onboard charger or OBC converts AC to DC for charging. Usually, the current available is in AC. Onboard charger converts it into DC, which is suitable for charging the battery. Reducer adjusts motor speed for efficient wheel drive. EPCU or Electric Power Control Unit manages power flow and vehicle control. Now, here's a small diagram for you to understand how does this really work in an EV. So, here we have the yellow spots that you can, the yellow World's type stuff that you can see out there is called the electric tra- traction motor. Then the purple ones, the plates that you see out there, are power electronics converter, as we have discussed earlier. DC, sorry, there's a small typo. AC DC converter out there in the silver plates helps in the way in converting um, current in the way I've mentioned before. Thermal system cooling. This is extremely crucial because without it, the vehicle's bonnet or the system in which everything is working, batteries and stuff, would become extremely heated, causing explosion and harm to the driver's life. Battery, auxiliary, additional battery, onboard charger, as we have discussed earlier. Transmission, again, charger port, through which the charging is done, obviously. Traction battery pack, we all know what this is. The battery where all the energy is stored. Now, battery pack. Let's talk a little about this. Types. The usual types are lithium ion, lead acid, and nickel metal hydride. Now, since we're talking in brief about this, so let it stop out here. We'll talk about this in further videos. For now, the three types have been mentioned. Charging. There are different types of charging too. Level 1, Level 2, DC fast charging. Range. Depends upon the battery capacity and driving conditions. Let's proceed. Advantages of electric vehicles. Environmental benefits. Zero tailpipe emissions, reducing air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions is provided. Energy efficiency. Electric motors convert more energy into motion than gasoline engines. Lower operating costs. Electricity is generated cheaper than gasoline, resulting in lower fuel costs. Reduced noise pollution. Electric motors, unlike gasoline or hybrid vehicles, are significantly quieter and contribute to a quieter driving experience. Your neighbors won't be angry if you have an EV, I guess. Disadvantages of electric vehicles. Limited range. EVs have shorter driving ranges compared to gasoline powered vehicles, especially in cold weather or heavy traffic. Charging infrastructure. Limited charging infrastructure and long charging times can be inconvenient for long distance travel. Higher purchase price. EVs often have a higher initial purchase price than comparable gasoline powered vehicles. Conclusion. Electric vehicles offer several advantages, including being eco friendly with zero tailpipe emissions, reducing dependence on fossil fuels for energy security, and lowering operating and maintenance costs, which makes them cost effective. Additionally, they provide a quieter and smoother ride, contributing to less noise pollution. However, there are also some disadvantages to consider, such as their limited driving range compared to gasoline powered vehicles. Challenges with charging infrastructure for long distance travel and the high initial purchase price. Overall, despite these disadvantages, the numerous benefits make electric vehicles a promising alternative for sustainable future. At the end, I would like to thank you for making it to the end of this video. Thanks for watching, viewers. Up until next time, bye bye.